Good morning, children. In chapter number 13, you will learn about plants around us. In this chapter, you will learn different types of plants. As green plants are all around us, they are living things, they can breathe and they grow. Let us study the different kinds of plants around us. See here in the picture given, there is a well-developed root, then a stem, fruit are here, then leaf, bud, and bud become flower. Most of the plants grow on land. Some plants grow in water also. Some plants are big, some are small, some are weak, some are strong. Plants are very useful to us. Here is given tree. What are trees? Tall, very big and strong plants are called trees. They have many branches and leaves. They stand erect because of thick, woody and strong stem. The stem of a tree is called trunk. So trees are a very big plant. They have many branches and leaves. They can stand erect because of their thick, woody and strong stem. The stem of tree is called a trunk. Tree gives us shade, fruits and wood. Example: mango, neem, ashok, banyan, etc. In the picture, neem tree is given, mango tree is also here, and ashoka tree. These all trees are very big. They have many branches and leaves, and they give us shade, fruit and woods also. Did you know the groundnut plant is actually a green bush? Its nut grow within the roots. To get iron, we crush seeds of plants rich in iron. Groundnut plant is just like a bush and its nut grow with the root. Now after learning about tree, come to the shrubs. What are shrubs? So shrubs are smaller than trees. They are not as big as tree. They have a small, thin, hard, woody stem and many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. They are medium in size and they live for several years. Example given here is rose, hibiscus, jasmine, etc. So shrubs are trees that are smaller than trees. They are of medium size. Their branches always grow close to the ground and they live for several years. You must have seen small plants. For example, grass, wheat, sunflower, etc. These very small plants are called herbs, and they are very soft, green and thin stems. They are called herbs, and most herbs live only for few months. They do not survive for 2-3 seasons. They live only for few months. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. They can stand erect on the ground and they are seasonal plant. They are seasonal plant. They survive only for a certain month. Leaves and stems of some herbs are used as medicines and for flavoring food. For example, coriander leaves, mint leaves, these are flavoring leaves. Grass, sunflower, lady's finger are also herbs. Next one is climbers. What are climbers? As it seems from its name, that climbers are very weak plants. They can climb, but they always need support. They cannot stand erect on their own. They need the support of another plant or sticks to stand. These plants are called climbers, and climbers have tendrils to hold and support. Example of climbers are pea plant, money plant. These are the common example of climbers, and in the picture it is given money plant. Next one is creepers. Creepers are plants that crawl on the ground, and they are creepers. They have very weak stems. They cannot stand erect. Example is pumpkin, cucumber, strawberry, etc. So creepers can crawl on the ground. They have very weak stems and they also need support. Next one is thorny plants. Thorny plants. Some plants have thorns. Thorns means a prickly things that can pierce your skin. Animals do not eat such plants because of pointed head, and such plants are called thorny plants. Example of thorny plants are cactus, rose and bougainvillea. And as you have seen, there are three types of plant mainly: tree, shrubs and herbs. And next are climber, creeper and thorny plants. All the plants are useful. So see here the uses of plant. Uses of plants are given in the picture here is as food. We use plant as food. It is also used to keep air clean. Plants are also used for perfume. It gives us fiber. It is used for making paper and wood, and we get medicine also from plants. So plants are very useful for us. Coffee, tea, sugarcane. These also we get from plant. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. We depend for all these things on plant only. And plant provide us so many useful things, but the most important thing they provide is oxygen. We all need oxygen to breathe and to live. We won't survive if there are no trees in our surrounding. Thus, we must protect plants and trees. We should not allow anyone to cut trees, and we should plant as many trees as we can. Here is name some seeds we eat. We eat many type of seeds. For example, pea plant. Pea is also a seed. Then all type of nuts you can write here: groundnut, cashew nut, these all, and walnut. These all are seeds. Did you know, children, the Venus flytrap is an insect-eating plant. It gets its food from soil as well as insects. Seeds are used for growing new plants. Seeds are very useful, and for growing next plant we need seeds.